Good morning, guys. We are in Barcelona today to show you a spectacular apartment about 245 square meters, just in the middle of Barcelona, Passeig de Gràcia, probably the most popular street here. In fact, it's this building, amazing, completely reformed. The best thing for you is to come with me and take a look. We had the opportunity today to visit another spectacular, amazing and big, huge apartment, reformed but keeping modernism ornaments like high ceilings or modernism floors. Next chapter, I will teach you how to prepare sardines marmalade while dancing a sardana.